Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products across various categories. I'm thrilled to have you here today. We are diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling stained glass making products on Amazon. These selections have captured the hearts and creative spirits of countless artisans, and I can't wait to share them with you. Without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these fantastic finds that will elevate your stained glass projects to new heights. Introducing the 3/16 inches round U lead came for stained glass. The perfect blend of convenience, precision, and durability, brought to you by Glassco. This lead came, measuring an impressive 6 feet, is your ultimate companion for stained glass projects. Imagine the ease of diving into your project with just the right amount of lead came, meticulously prepared to perfection. With a 5/32 inches channel and a 3/16 inches face, this round U design isn't just about functionality. It's about crafting borders that are precise and visually stunning. Pre-rolled and bagged, this lead came offers a hassle-free experience. No more fussing over storage or wasting excess material. You take what you need, and the rest stays pristine, ready for your next masterpiece. And for those who only need a modest quantity, the 6-foot length is a game changer. It provides the flexibility to purchase just the right amount, avoiding the unnecessary bulk of a full coil or box. Crafted from durable lead cane, this strip offers the perfect balance of stiffness and flexibility. Whether you're forming intricate curves or ensuring long-lasting craftsmanship, this lead cane stands the test of time, making it ideal for both craft projects and restoration work. Elevate your stained glass artistry with Glassco's 3/16 inches round U lead cane, where convenience meets craftsmanship and every detail is designed to inspire.
Next on our countdown at number 4, we have the Gallery Glass Instant Lead Lines, your ticket to creating stunning stained glass masterpieces with ease and precision. Let's delve into what makes this product a must-have for every stained glass enthusiast. Imagine simulating stained glass leading with perfect strips every single time. With this ingenious ready lead, you simply peel, position, and voila. Your glass surfaces come alive with simulated solder joints using liquid leading. Whether you're crafting a simple geometric shape or following a complex pattern, the possibilities are endless. Frames, vases, jars. Anything you love can be transformed into a work of art. Convenience is key. This pack provides an impressive 72 linear feet of ready lead, ensuring you have plenty to tackle all your stained glass painting projects without a hitch. And talk about flexibility. These pre-made lines are repositionable for up to 4 weeks. Need to adjust? No problem. Just be mindful of excess handling to maintain that perfect stick. Application is a breeze. No mess, no fuss. Simply apply these lines in a shape of your choice or follow a pattern, and watch as your creation takes on the look of authentic stained glass leading. From ceramics to glass bottles, vases to windows, the versatility of this product is unmatched. Proudly made in the USA, Gallery Glass Instant Lead Lines embody quality and craftsmanship. And here's a tip. Always start with a clean surface for the best results. Pair these lead lines with Gallery Glass stained glass paint to make your projects truly pop. Elevate your stained glass creations with the Gallery Glass Instant Lead Lines, where artistry meets convenience and every project becomes a masterpiece.
At number 3, we have the LITMIND 24 Sheets Transparent Stained Glass Variety Pack, a dazzling array of colors designed to ignite your creativity and elevate your stained glass projects to new heights. Imagine a value pack boasting 24 vibrant, transparent stained glass sheets, each a unique hue ready to transform your artistic vision into reality. These 6x4-inch sheets, with a thickness of 1/8 inch, are the perfect size for detailed work, offering both precision and versatility. Cutting these sheets is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, using a glass cutter or wheeled nippers will give you accurate cuts every time. Crafting intricate mosaics has never been easier. The spectrum of colors in this pack is simply mesmerizing. Excellent light penetration ensures that your projects will shine brilliantly, showcasing a rainbow of hues that captivate and inspire. Each sheet invites endless creative possibilities, making every piece you create a stunning work of art. This variety pack is not just versatile, it's inspiring. Perfect for home decor, Tiffany lampshades, windows, doors, murals, and countless other mosaic crafts. It provides the tools to bring your artistic dreams to life. Imagine the beauty of a custom lampshade casting colorful shadows, or a vibrant mural brightening your space. The possibilities are boundless. Elevate your stained glass artistry with the LITMIND 24 sheets transparent stained glass variety pack, where creativity meets quality and every project becomes a masterpiece.
Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling stained glass making products on Amazon? Well, don't just keep it transparent. Give this video a pane of approval by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on any bright ideas.
At number 2 in our countdown, we present the Zehhe copper foil tape with double-sided conductive properties, a versatile tool that blends functionality and innovation for stained glass makers and beyond. This is not just any tape, it's a marvel of conductive adhesive technology. With both sides carrying current, it excels in soldering, grounding, and minor repairs. Whether you're working on transformers, mobile phones, computers, or even PDAs and LCD monitors, this tape is your go-to solution. For stained glass enthusiasts, this tape is a game changer. Its robust, adhesive, and superb surface are perfect for soldering, ensuring your stained glass creations are not only beautiful but also structurally sound. With 21.8 yards of quick peel paper backing, working with it becomes a breeze, offering a clean and professional finish every time. But it doesn't stop there. This copper foil tape is a fantastic educational tool, ideal for creating paper circuits. It's a fun, hands-on way to introduce children to the world of electronics. Its malleability and strong adhesive allow it to mold to most surfaces, opening up unlimited possibilities for craft projects. And for those concerned about electromagnetic interference, Zehhe copper foil tape provides effective EMI shielding. Protect your small electronics swiftly and easily with this highly conductive tape. Safety is paramount. Always handle with care, ensuring you follow best practices no matter where the tape is applied. Elevate your craft, protect your electronics, and inspire the next generation of creators with Zehhe copper foil tape, where versatility meets precision in every project. And now, the pinnacle of our countdown, at number 1, we have the Lanyani 10 Sheets Variety Stained Glass Sheets Pack. This collection is a masterpiece in itself, offering an array of blue hues that inspire creativity and elevate your stained glass projects to celestial heights. Imagine holding in your hands 10 packs of stunning stained glass sheets, each measuring a generous 4x 6 inches. These sheets are your canvas, ready to transform your artistic visions into breathtaking mosaics. The assorted blue colors are perfect for creating serene water scenes or expansive sky designs, adding a touch of tranquility and beauty to your work. Each sheet in this variety pack boasts random textures, a delightful surprise with every order. You might receive opalescent, cathedral, streaky, or opalume textures, each adding a unique charm and depth to your creations. The randomness ensures that no two projects are ever the same, each one a unique work of art. Cutting these glass sheets is effortless, making them ideal for both mosaic hobbyists and seasoned professionals. Whether you're crafting a detailed mosaic or a large-scale project, these sheets provide the precision and ease needed to bring your designs to life. The Lanyani 10 Sheets Variety Pack is more than just stained glass. It's a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Let your imagination soar as you craft pieces that captivate and inspire. Embrace the beauty of blue, the allure of varied textures, and the joy of effortless cutting with this top-tier stained glass collection. For those who seek excellence in their stained glass artistry, the Lanyani 10 Sheets Variety Stained Glass Sheets Pack is the ultimate choice, where every sheet is a new adventure in creativity and craftsmanship. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling stained glass making products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.